machine learning. The amount of data being generated increases as technology develops and the world's population rises, and the result of all of this data analysis quite time consuming, but that's beginning to alter with the appearance of a process known as machine learning. One kind of computer program is machine learning, the technology that enables computer programs that develop and learn on their own. In the before, computers could only perform tasks that we to perform as they were instructed by machine, but learning how to act like people and the ability to learn from their previous experiences. Let's imagine we want a program. The procedure can be somewhat intricate, but here's how it works on the most fundamental level that can differentiate between apples and bananas will be served first. A few images with labels for each of them. The application will search for patterns in the fruit and begin to recall them. Can then look back on these recollections to images of apples and bananas without labels and decide which is on your own, believe it or not. Once you probably come into contact with machine learning every day because it is used by social media sites to generate your feed. Depending on your search and preference, it helps engines run more accurately. Among the outcomes of their search is also being broader scale usage of the medical. The business sector is using machine learning to such as estimating lifespans, arranging patient information, even identifying specific diseases. Similar to many new technologies, there is concern that specific jobs may be eliminated by machine learning. Depending on the industry, this will change, but has the potential to eliminate or alter several professions, including motorists, bankers, and possibly even, while it may have some doctors negative outcomes, many people think that its the advantages will outweigh the drawbacks. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more amazing videos about machine learning.